NIO is on the brink of unveiling a pivotal moment with its upcoming earnings report. In the dynamic realm of electric vehicles, NIO takes center stage as a notable contender. The anticipation hangs thick in the air as we await the numbers that will reveal the story behind the scenes. On August 8, 2023, NIO closed at $13.85, down 6.55% from the previous day. This was the lowest closing price in the past week, as the stock faced selling pressure amid downbeat economic data from China. The volume was also low at 18 million shares, indicating a lack of buying interest. On August 7, 2023, NIO closed at $14.82, up 1.72% from the previous day. The stock rebounded slightly after a sharp drop on August 4, 2023, when it closed at $14.72, down 4.79% from the previous day. The stock was affected by the news that China Auto Group, a major partner of NIO, canceled a key pact with the company. The volume was high at 85 million shares, suggesting a lot of volatility and uncertainty. The growth, the challenges, the opportunities, all intricately woven into the fabric of NIO's journey. This isn't just about figures, it's about the pulse of innovation in motion. So, brace yourself because we're diving into the heartbeat of NIO's upcoming earnings report, where the road ahead merges with the electric symphony of possibilities. NIO is witnessing a remarkable shift as Myri Asset Global Investments seizes the spotlight with an impressive 41.3% surge in its stake during the first quarter. Let that sink in, a significant increase that speaks volumes about Myri Asset's confidence in NIO's trajectory. Picture this, they now hold a whopping 2,066,192 shares, up by a staggering 604,069 shares from the previous quarter. What does this mean? It's like Myri Asset is casting its vote of faith in NIO's potential, with holdings worth around $21,716,000, marking approximately 0.12% of NIO's overall value. This isn't just a shift in numbers, it's a declaration of belief in NIO's future. It's akin to laying down an anchor, tethering NIO's aspirations to the bedrock of Myri Asset's conviction. Now, let's zoom in on NIO's recent performance on the stock market, a performance that's been a roller coaster ride, steering in the opposite direction of the S&P 500 index. NIO's stock has faced headwinds, with a nearly 40% decrease in the last 6 months. Yes, you heard that right. While the broader market soared, NIO faced a decline that could be felt across the trading floor. But that's not the only bump in the road. Growing NIO's vehicle delivery rate has been no easy feat. This challenge has cast shadows of uncertainty over investor sentiment. NIO has been grappling to boost its vehicle delivery rate in a highly competitive EV arena, and this struggle has resonated among investors. It's like a ripple effect, where the challenge of delivering vehicles sends waves through the stock market. In addition, NIO's Q1 2023 earnings results have taken the spotlight. Let's break it down. When it comes to earnings per share, the report revealed a figure of $2.51. Now, that's a significant difference from what analysts anticipated, a whopping $2.29, more than their consensus estimates of 22 cents. The variance here is like a seismic shift in the financial landscape. But there's more. NIO's revenue for Q1 2023 hit the mark at $10.68 billion. While that's impressive, it slightly missed the market's expectation set at $11.60 billion. Think of it as a near miss that still speaks volumes. What's more, the Chinese electric vehicle market stands as a powerhouse, securing its spot as the second fastest growing EV market worldwide. In 2022, it witnessed an astounding 87% year-over-year growth rate. It's like a race where China's EV market is sprinting, leaving trails of growth in its wake. Now, let's talk figures. China accounted for nearly 60% of the entire global EV sales volume. Imagine that, over half of all EVs sold around the world found their home in China. But what does this colossal market potential mean for NIO? Well, it's like being in the midst of a storm of opportunities. NIO, positioned in China, taps into this torrential growth, where every challenge becomes a stepping stone. NIO's journey aligns with China's push for sustainable transportation, forging an alliance between innovation and market potential. As I mentioned earlier, the interest shown by Myri Asset and other institutional investors in NIO has taken center stage, and the numbers speak volumes. During the first quarter, Myri Asset Global Investments seized the spotlight with an impressive surge of 41.3% in its stake. They've upped the ante by 604,069 shares from the previous quarter, now holding a staggering 2,066,192 shares. But that's not all. Banque Cantonale Vaudoise chipped in, increasing their stake by 1%, adding 1,773 shares to their portfolio. Engineers Gate Manager LP didn't hold back either, diving in with a new stake worth approximately $1,819,000. And it doesn't stop there. Spire Wealth Management joined the chorus by growing their position by a whopping 165.7%, adding 3,000 shares to their collection. Fisher Asset Management LLC entered the scene too, with a whopping 20,137 shares in their possession, emphasizing their optimism. Finally, Overseas Chinese Banking Corp Limited took the leap, investing around $710,000 in NIO. But before we continue, we want to thank you for watching this far. So, what lies ahead on the horizon for NIO? The projections are an intricate tapestry of financial expectations and expert opinions. Analysts foresee a challenging but promising road. The earnings report for Q1 2023 showcased a unique dance between reality and predictions. The earnings per share stumbled at $2.51, which is a significant departure from the anticipated 22 cents. This variance is like a heartbeat echoing through the market. And NIO's revenue of $10.68 billion, though slightly under the $11.60 billion mark, stands as a testament to its year-over-year growth of 7.7%. When we peek into the crystal ball of expert opinions, it's projected that NIO's fiscal year could close with an EPS of -1.43. This isn't just a glimpse into a possible future, it's a calculated forecast. Now, let's talk stocks. NIO's performance on the stock market carries its own melody. Despite a 40% decline over the past 6 months, it's a journey with dips and rises that keep you at the edge of your seat. Barclays, Bank of America, Mizuho, and Citigroup have all chimed in with their price target adjustments, hinting at their perspective on NIO's trajectory. But amidst this, there's a chorus of institutional investors. Myri Asset's increased stake is like an anchor, while others like Banque Cantonale Vaudoise, Engineers Gate Manager LP, Spire Wealth Management, Fisher Asset Management LLC, and Overseas Chinese Banking Corp Ltd have all added their voices to the melody. So, brace yourselves for the exhilarating ride that is NIO in the EV market. It's a journey of immense potential and challenges where NIO stands at the crossroads of innovation and competition. Their upcoming earnings report holds the key to unveiling their recent performance and setting the stage for their future endeavors. The road ahead might be bumpy, but NIO's resilience shines through. Will the challenges be overcome by the sparks of growth? Stay tuned for the reveal as NIO's numbers come alive in the upcoming earnings report. So, what are your thoughts on NIO's electrifying journey ahead? Let us know what you think in the comments section below. And while you're at it, make sure to smash the like and subscribe buttons down below. Additionally, if you want to know NIO's 2024 outlook, I highly recommend watching this amazing video. Just click this video right here. Thank you for tuning in and stay tuned for more exciting content in the future.